I don't have any of my jewelry on. I still didn't put on my rings. Oh my God, I swear to you guys. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with a little Quince try on haul, and it's a good one. I know that your obsession with Quince is just as strong as mine, so welcome. Always find good stuff there, and they're always putting out new stuff. Anyway, let's go ahead and jump on in, and I'll share with you what I got. There are a couple things I need to exchange for sizing, but overall, such good stuff. So first being this vitamin C. Did you know they sell like hair care and skin care and makeup, or not makeup? Do they carry makeup? I don't think so. They carry caviar, just got back in stock. They carry literally everything, and I've heard really good things about this brand, and I'm almost out of my Tatcha vitamin C. This is the Brighten Up Vitamin C Serum by Ursa Major, which I've never tried anything from this brand, but I've heard about this brand. So, oh no. Oh, it looks like it leaks, but that's just the packaging. I was like, oh no, is it leaked? But it's just like, it's matte on top and then shiny towards the bottom. I was a little alarmed there. I'm very picky with my vitamin C consistency, so hopefully I like this. I'm almost out, so I'll open it. Oh, it is a cream. Oh, but it is so smooth. Ooh, that smells good. I can't like put I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really good, and it's so silky and smooth. It's not like chalky. I typically like a very like clear serum-y type thing, but this is hydrating and honestly feels like it blends in really well. It almost has like a dimethicone type of feel to it. I thoroughly enjoy it. I hope it doesn't peel under my makeup, but I will keep you posted. But if you don't know, they sell like a million other things. I just ordered a new moisturizer from them too, from Murad. It was like the nutrient hypercharged whatever. I'm switching over to gel moisturizers for the summer because I think I need a lot more lighter layers. But that I feel like will be nice because it'll take the place of a hydrating serum as well. Anyway, I grabbed that moisturizer. It hasn't come in yet. And I also grabbed a leave-in conditioner. I'll tell you guys when I get it. But it's just, they always do like you get $10 as well. Like if it's a product that is not exclusive to them, typically they have really good like incentives, so you get a discount on top of it. And it's pretty freaking significant, like way more than 20% or something like that. So check it out. Anyway, I picked up a new pair of shoes. I actually should not be putting these on anything because I did wear these yesterday. The sticker is still on, but I did wear these yesterday. These I'm obsessed with. These are a platform leather flip-flop. These don't have good reviews on their website, and I don't know why, because I'm kind of in love with them. I feel like the quality is incredible. I love that this strap is just one piece of leather. It's like so smooth. I like how thick it is. Love this platform. This part is foam. But these are so comfortable and so freaking cute. They come in like 3 different colors. So yeah, I feel like the platform sandal hasn't made its resurgence, but I know it will because it was very much a 90s thing. If you watched my recent Pinterest video I think I just did, I talked about how those remind me of my mom so much. Like that was peak 90s to me. That like, sorry, I'm like drinking an energy drink and I'm a little burpy, okay? That was like peak, that sound of that flip-flop. Just music to my ears. Anywho, let's jump in. You guys know I'm in my dress era, okay? And Quince has some of my favorite dresses. I love a linen dress specifically. That's my jam. All of my dresses from Quince are linen, and I'm obsessed with them. So I wanted to grab just like a t-shirt dress, like a tunic t-shirt style dress. I had seen them on the site for a while now, but I saw them styled the other day and I was like, oh, those are so cute. And think about just throwing them on for a soccer game or a baseball game, something that takes like literal minimal effort but looks really cute. And I love plain dresses, I've decided, because then I can mix and match and they don't feel like I wore it once, I can never wear it again. Does that make sense? I like plain, like full outfits so that I can style them with whatever, like change up the whole vibe based off of shoes I'm wearing or accessories or anything like that. Let me just get into it, shall we? I did get this in an extra small, And I'm debating if I want to get it in a small, just because linen tends to shrink. So I'm kind of like, oh, I don't know. I wanted the shorter length, but I also feel like if I wanted to wear a real bra with it, which why would I want to though? Let's be for real. You know, like I'm wearing bralettes 99% of the time, but this is really nice. This is double lined, the white one. I'm going to show you another color that is not double lined, but the white is good. So I had to get this in an extra small. The sleeve length is pretty long. Love a tunic style like this, just think it's cute. I will say the reason why I'm like, I need to size up is because it is a struggle to get off my body. Struggle. But the length is perfection. I'm like thinking of words. There is a stripe down the middle of it. There are pockets. It is just the perfect little like throw and go. You can dress it up. You can dress it very casual. It is just a good little dress. I also grabbed it in the navy, which I like that this is not double lined because it doesn't need to be. It is a solid opaque color. So it does not need to be double lined for what? Like to just be sweating? No. So I love that it's not, it's just sheer, or it's not sheer, but it is not double lined. Pockets, again, collar detail, so cute. Love the little tunic-y, so adorable. So yeah, I don't know. Do you think I should size up? Let me know. It's probably already sold out because everything sells out so fast. But if you don't join their like wait list, it's like actually legit. Like they actually let you know when it comes back in stock, not like some sites. Anyway, love. So cute. Thought it was a great throw and go. Okay, now we have a trip coming up in a month, which I need to book tickets for, okay, because I have not. Plane tickets. We're going to Colorado. We're going to, not Telluride, we're going to, why can I not think of the name? I don't know, but we're going to Colorado. We're gonna do like a bunch of outdoor activities, fly fishing and hikes and all of the things. So I wanted more like hiking summery wear, and you guys know I just did that huge, or not huge, I mean it was great. It was great. Been Under, I just got some hiking, like I call them hiking, but they're like outdoor type shirts for sun protection stuff. But I have seen these shorts, I almost whacked you guys. I have seen these shorts on their website for a couple years now, and I was like, I think I would love these. These are their like little hiking shorts. I got these in a size small. They have a huge band on top. I like that the pockets are not open, so they're zippered, which is really convenient for actually keeping stuff in your pocket if you're on a hike or whatnot. These are not lined whatsoever, which all of my shorts pretty much for the most part are lined, and I wanted something that's not lined. Like, I mean like the spandex underneath. I wanted something that wasn't lined, and I loved this green. I thought it would go with literally everything. They're so like lightweight, and I'm excited to bring these to Colorado, and they'll look cute with hiking boots. And I styled it with a Been Under like little button up, adorable. Okay, next up, I can't believe I did not own any of these. I feel like I need to own more of them now. I felt like I went through a phase where I stopped wearing like short sleeve button ups because I felt like they looked a little strange on me. But I'm back, only because of the style of the sleeve can be a little funky. I used to wear these all the time. Not this specific brand. I would get them from like H&M or mostly H&M, Target maybe, but this is just a white linen, like kind of the sleeve. Do you see what I mean by this? You have to have a specific like arm to like, you don't have to have a specific arm, but it's like, it can accentuate and fall at a different weird part on your arm. So if you're picky about that, keep that in mind. I did get this in just a plain small. I knew I didn't want this to be so oversized because these shirts can already tend to kind of look unflattering, but I love it. I actually think it's really cute, and it's really thick. Like this linen is not super sheer. It's a thicker white linen, which I've never ordered white linen from them. I've ordered a bunch of other colors, but I also realized I thought I had ordered a navy blue linen shirt, but apparently I didn't. So that needs to be on the list, because I was like, how cute would it be with this? But I also think the shell top would be really cute with this. Okay, these skirts have been on my wish list, and they always sell out. They literally always sell out of me, okay? And I need an extra small. The small is just a little big. This is like a cross, like a, what do I want to say, cross thingy-majiggy, what do I want to say, asymmetrical situation, but it's a skirt that has the back, so it doesn't look anything like a skirt. Do you know what I mean? Like it has the shorts, which is great, but it looks like a skirt front and back. I just need an extra small. I would say this runs big, okay? Especially if you're not wanting to wear it on your natural, like your lower waistline, you want to wear it a little more high to mid-rise. go down a size. This has an elastic band in the back too, so it's very stretchy and forgiving, but this is so cute. They have them in gingham and all of that. The red gingham I might need, so cute. But this navy, I love navy. Navy is probably one of my all-time favorite colors to wear, to buy things in, okay? I just love it. So I need this in an extra small, and I was thinking of styling that with a linen button down or this in navy. Okay, so I accidentally ordered 2 of these, so this is the one that's actually going back, why it's not steamed. I don't know how I ended up ordering 2. Okay, here's my other deal. I need to check my other shell tops because they felt like really big. I'm wondering if they're small or medium, but they feel really big. So I ordered the size down and they feel really small. So I'm kind of like, I need to look and make sure they're not mediums because I went to an extra small. But if they're smalls, they fit a little bit big, and I wanted to something a little more, but I could not wear a regular bra with this. So I don't know. I liked the black and white. I thought this would look cute with white shorts and a pop of color. They also carry this in the skirt, which would be a cute little like matching set moment, but I think I'm going to return both of them, get an extra small in this, or get a small in this color and get a small in the navy, and then an extra small in that skirt, and I think it would be a cute little like mix and match moment, if you will. I also have been wanting these, and these always sell out on me. These are the brown little gingham linen shorts. These are so cute. I own these in white in 2 different sizes. I own the medium and the small. I just love these. These do have the outward stitch on the pocket, so keep that in mind if you don't love that. But I think these are so cute. I think they looked great with the white button up. It'll look great with denim. It'll look great with like a brown button up, like so many different things. And I think this will actually transition into the fall because it's a brown gingham, and that to me screams fall. And in Texas, we get a warm fall. So I could definitely pull these off, and I'm excited. So, you know, the gingham is everywhere this year, and I kind of really dig it. Okay, last but not least, these are my favorite shorts, but I need a smaller size. I went so up because I was like, listen, I want them to be big, I want them to be baggy, I want them to be huge, whatever. And typically I always size up in Quince stuff, but I feel like they've changed their sizing a little bit, so it's better. And maybe that's why I need to try the small and the shell top. I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but nonetheless, these shorts are so good. I wanted a long jort. These look like something you could buy at like Madewell or Levi or something. These are 100% rigid cotton denim. I got these in a 29. I'm typically a 20, like if I want like something to fit true to size, a 26 or a 27. That's my size, depends on the brand. But I wanted to go up because I wanted them to be like incredibly oversized. I will get probably a 28 in these, but they're sold out right now, which bums me the heck out because I love these so much, but they're just way too big. And because they're too big, they almost just look unflattering. So I need them a little bit smaller, but these are so cute. They have them in white, they have them in black, and they have them in a like regular medium wash, darkish wash denim, but it is sold out already. But if you can get your hands on these, do it. So yeah, so cute. So I'm probably gonna just like honestly wait until these come back in stock and do like a mass return, but you don't have to. They have an amazing return policy, 365 days. It's insane. But yeah, I loved all the stuff that I got. So cute. Got some really fun pieces to carry me through summer and get me back into my dress, or get me into wearing dresses again, because Quince has some of my all-time favorite dresses. So that is it. I'll have everything in the description box, YouTube shop button, however you prefer to shop. But Quince is by far what 99.999% of my wardrobe consists of, because it's just so good, and their prices are incredible for the quality of their items. Like I've had pieces from Quince for probably 3-4 years and they're still impeccable. So anyway, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.